we've got ourselves a hatchback LX Torana. Oh.
Super cool, hey, with the purple and black.
This thing looks really cool.
Yeah.
Now it actually doesn't look like much of a muscle car because it doesn't have the flares, you know, it's not like your usual hatchback.
Yeah, with the rear spoiler on the bonnet.
That's right. You know, it just looks like a tidy, maybe a 6-cylinder. It has the Superformance Gift pack, doesn't it?
That's right, yeah.
Let's just start off with dessert. Right, now this thing, let's go into that engine.
It's a beautifully dressed 350 small block Chevy, roller cam. It's got the CBF Racing serpentine upgrade on the front. So we've done the air conditioning upgrade.
Also got Willwood Brakes, we've done the wiring, we've got thermofan.
We've done a gearbox swap, so it's now got a trimmer. It's really nicely detailed and just looks the part when you pop the hood. Got a new 9-inch diff. It's got one of our chassis strengthening kits. Important to give you a driving. Chris should notice the feel with our new independent front suspension system, which is one that we built in-house.
Now this thing, like, it drives like a go-kart,
Yeah.
which is not common for a big old Aussie muscle car.
So this is the Superformance built independent front suspension system. That's one that we designed and built in-house. It's Australian engineer approved paperwork. It features a Flaming River steering rack, got Willwood spindles, Willwood brakes. It features Super Pro Fulcrum non-clean bushes, which have got a lifetime warranty. It runs a heavy-duty cross member, a uniquely designed upper and lower A-arms which control your caster camber. It features a GM style shim adjustment, which is what all the wheel alignment guys ask for, so they can understand it and get their head around it. It's got adjustable upper and lower arms, so you can fine-tune the suspension with this front to back and diagonally within a millimetre. It's absolutely spot on.
And this thing goes pretty damn good too.
Yeah, no, it's got a gnarly little 350 in it, which goes good.
There's something about a manual that's just so much funner. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. We hope that you enjoyed today's episode. We definitely did.
Yeah.
Now if you need any parts for your car, and of course if you're looking for some really custom work for that front end for your classic car, give us a call, check out the website. We'll see you next week.
Thanks Chris, cheers.